Saudi Arabia's formula for growth. Saudi Arabia's current growth is unusual. The International Monetary Fund's, or IMF's, recent report anticipates that the kingdom's gross domestic product, or GDP, will grow by 7.6% this year, which we now expect to be the highest among the G20, which is the group of 20. This will be the country's best growth performance since the early 2000s. This success combines diversification, technology, and sound policy innovation. These three channels represent the Saudi formula for growth, which we expect to propel performance over the next decade. In this video, we will describe Saudi Arabia's formula for growth and what is needed to maintain such performance over the long term. So make sure you keep watching until the end of this video, and for the best and latest finance news and updates, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be the first to get the latest updates and news. Now, let's begin. An economic retransformation. Economic planning is essential in the kingdom. Beginning in the early 1970s, the Saudi government implemented 5-year plans. These plans were primarily concerned with the strategic development and infrastructural development. They were designed to raise economic standards in various sectors of the economy, like business, healthcare, social services, and education. These programs aided in the large-scale development of the Saudi economy and significant improvements in people's well-being. Nonetheless, because the plans were limited in scope, the change wasn't wide in scope, sustainable, or fast-growing. However, given the world economy's integration, evolving geopolitical concerns, and the emergence of digitization, the kingdom needed a new catalyst for development and the retransformation of the Saudi economy. As a result, the country's Vision 2030 is a thorough and far-reaching strategy built on 3 pillars: an ambitious nation, a dynamic society, and most importantly, a flourishing economy. 11 vision realization programs also support them. Importantly, while the economic pillar drives many of the contributors to the nation's growth performance, the other 2 pillars provide critical synergies for growth, including enhanced government efficacy and the development of economic possibilities. The Saudi government is reshaping its position to prioritize the private sector as a whole. This is anticipated to reshape the economy's structure, making it more sustainable, diverse, and less dependent on oil income. The regulatory ecosystem is also being enhanced to make the economic outlook more appealing to local and international investors. And it's not just about oil. The kingdom's principal export remained oil in 2022. Nonetheless, the country's recent prosperity extends beyond energy markets. Instead, their achievement is a result of their continuous efforts to reform. Rising oil prices have led to larger reserve balances and offered a financial backup for economic performance. However, comprehensive policy actions are critical to maintaining this financial performance regardless of oil income. The consolidation of fiscal space is central to that approach. The Fiscal Sustainability Program, a critical project under Vision 2030, intends to preserve state finances by adopting income diversification policies. Among other accomplishments, the program has improved budget implementation across the public sector, increased fiscal discipline, and established the National Debt Management Center to manage the national liabilities. Saudi Arabia has also taken steps to improve food and water security, reduce food waste, and promote agriculture, including increasing agricultural output and food quality, plus employing technologies to boost efficiency. There are many cases in financial services. The kingdom now has a world-class range of payment services, allowing Saudi individuals and enterprises to complete transactions promptly and affordably. Similarly, payments to the government can be made immediately using the SADAD payment system. Aside from payments, Saudi Arabia's expanding financial industry continues to grow the variety of goods and services available to families, allowing them to invest, save, and insure themselves against threats. The Saudi financial industry, supported by the expansion in conventional areas such as mortgages and SME loans, plays a vital role in economic diversification and directly contributes to growth. SAMA, the Saudi central bank, has worked hard to make financial goods and services more accessible for the kingdom to profit from the digital finance trend. To help this sector flourish, digital banking is receiving special attention and offers various essential services such as payments, microfinance, insurance brokerage, electronic transactions, and money transfers. SAMA has licensed 3 digital banks and 22 FinTech enterprises. SAMA has also launched its Open Banking project, letting clients securely exchange banking data with third parties. Consumers will benefit from new services and technology as a result of the open banking. They have had more opportunities and greater aspirations. Can Saudi Arabia maintain its present rate of growth? This question has a possible yes. However, this depends on sustained efforts to develop the Saudi economy. The Saudi government is creating diverse possibilities for its residents by relying on fiscal discipline and a robust, stable financial system. We will highlight numerous developments, fighting climate change, developing the private sector through the Public Investment Fund, and female empowerment. These changes, when combined, help people attain more prosperity and advance towards their goals. First, with $187 billion in investments to boost the green economy, the Saudi Green Initiative catalyzes long-term potential for future generations. The initiative proposes many new instruments for financing green energy in accordance with Saudi Arabia's goals. To make a long story short, this level of growth is not an easy achievement for the Saudi economy. However, given the momentum generated by these structural changes and the synergies that they have created, the kingdom will stay among the world's fastest-growing economies for the majority of the next decade. The vision realization programs will continue to foster organized growth in Saudi Arabia. So, there you have it, guys. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be the first to watch the following videos and for more finance news, guides, and updates. Thanks for watching.